If you saw my previous video, you saw that I unboxed and spoke about the Arabian perfumes and specifically the Lattafa Yara. So this is the Fakhar Lattafa. So I'm going to smell this one now and give you my initial reaction, thoughts and opinions. Let me just pop the notes up here. You can see this fragrance has top notes of fruit, pomegranate and lily, middle notes of tuberose, jasmine, gardenia, peony, rose, and base notes of vanilla, white musk and sandalwood. So this one and the Yara have very similar base notes, basically the same. So let's see what the difference is. Okay. Very exquisite. I don't know, I can't explain it. It's like very... Okay, so it can definitely smell like berries and the rose and...
Khaki balls.
Jason says khaki balls. So I don't know. This I'll wear if it's very specifically. It's just as an everyday fragrance. I won't be able to wear it every day, but let's see how it dries down to get the base notes. It's very exquisite. It is exquisite.
What is it?
Like, I don't know, different. It hits your senses different. It's not like something you really smell or generally smell, or it's different. It's very nice actually. So with that being said, in my next video I'm gonna mix these two together and see what the cocktail is all about, because this and the Yara are supposed to make the perfect cocktail. Seeing that they have the similar base notes, I can see why. So stay tuned for that. But that is really nice. So Jason explains it as like it smells like a plant, like a type of plant, like khaki balls. I don't know if I can say it smells like khaki balls, but it's very exquisite, but it is very specific. I don't know, I won't just be able to wear this every day as I would this. That's much more lighter, you get what I'm saying? But I'm excited to see how they wear together as a duo.